Hey, thank you for watching. My name is Tandy, and today I'll be doing a full face of Chanel. I always say to prep your skin prior to makeup, but so that this video isn't redundant and long, I'll leave a video linked on the screen and in the description box for my Chanel skincare favorites. Now let's get into this makeup. I'll try to have pictures of everything in the bottom left corner, as well as try to list everything down in the description box, just in case you guys were willing to try some of these Chanel products out. Now, this SOLEIL Tan Sheer Illuminating Fluid, you guys, yo, this stuff is so bomb. This stuff, honestly, I will wear this on its own without even pairing it with a foundation, you feel me? But for today's purposes, I am going to be using a foundation, and the foundation I'm going to be using is VITALUMIERE Aqua Foundation. And I use the shade 50 Beige. I love this lightweight foundation. I've mentioned it in several videos. And Chanel actually suggests that you apply this foundation with your fingertips. Now I'm using a little bit of the Chanel concealer, and I'm just going to use the Chanel concealer and blender brush to smooth and blend everything out. By the way, you guys, I'm using all Chanel brushes in this tutorial too. If you have never used their products, I want you to understand how the products work. And usually products for a brand work best with their tools. You guys, the Chanel loose setting powder, oh my gosh. Honestly, I will never use any other setting powder. Okay, I'm lying. I'm definitely lying because I love the Fenty too. But the Chanel setting powder is so bomb. Some people even use it on its own. Like, that's how good it is. It's a little bit expensive. Of course, it's Chanel, but let me tell you, totally worth it. I kind of speed through my eyebrows because y'all don't really care about that. But just know that I use about 3 different pencils to do my eyebrows. Oh my gosh, and this little brush is so cute for travel. It's great for powder and liquid. Next, I am going to take everyone's favorite makeup bronzer. This is the SOLEIL Tan. I haven't got my hand on the less beige, but I hear it's just the same thing, just repackaged. It is a air quote universal bronzer, so it only unfortunately comes in one shade. And yes, I'm definitely side-eyeing Chanel about that one. But I mean, if it can work for you, I would suggest you try it out. Wow, I look like a complete idiot trying to bronze my nose with a nose ring in. Love that for me. And to kind of give me a little bit more of a lit from within glow, I'm gonna use some of the powder bronzer. Now this is the Le Beige. And you guys, if you see me on the screen and I'm like talking, it's because I'm literally filming in the studio. Like, I'm cracking up, look at me doing the most. Sorry about that. Let's get to these cheeks. So as you can see here, this was the moment where I knew I had messed up because I forgot how much I love this blush. This blush is so nice and shimmery, but not like overbearing, you feel me? And sometimes I'd be thinking to myself like, did I put too much on? And then I gotta think, no, girl, you are that bitch. Stop. For this Chanel look, I'm going to use their eyeshadow primer. Normally, I would just use concealer, but they do offer a eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to prep my lids and go in with the Le Beige eyeshadow palette. Now, this eyeshadow look is not that complicated, so I'm going to kind of speed through this. But there will be, again, in the left-hand corner, you'll be able to see which shades I used in which parts of my eye. I think I pretty much use all the colors in this eyeshadow palette too. You see, I'm over here deepening, you know, that outer V on my eye, trying to create a little smoke action, okay? Yes, and then just doing the same thing to my bottom lash line and smoking everything out, you know? I'm pretty dope. I might as well smoke myself, you feel me? What you doing now, girl? Oh, you putting a little inner corner in there on them. I see what you did there, girl. You know I had to put that little inner corner in there, okay? Let me line my lips, though. If you're going to get some Chanel lip liners, I recommend that you ask them, is this the new formula? Trust me. Thank me later. Now, Chanel makes really good glosses, but quite honestly, and shameless self-promo, my gloss is better. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Tandy Colada Lip Balm. And for a little bit of extra shine without heaviness of a gloss, I'm going to top it with a little bit of my Lavish Lip Oil treatment. And baby girl, the links to this Colada lip duo will be linked down below. Wait a minute. Before y'all leave though, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You know, hit the thumbs up button, okay? Tell a friend to tell a friend, share this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.